A mediocre explanation of how I did this will be shown after this 20-second time lapse of it working. Okay, anyways, inside of your main rocket, you should know collect a fuel tank that's ever so slightly smaller than the rocket inside of it. And you add a piston to it, and then you rotate the fuel tank and piston so that the top is further inside the rocket, and the bottom of the fuel tank is nearly sticking out. This gives the illusion of ice flowing from top to bottom like the video shows. Finally, add 3 times symmetry to give 360 degrees of cryogenic ice glory, and then adjust it until it works. Here's the code that makes the piston automatically adapt to the current fuel amount. And yes, it is me, Dave from Day Shift at Freddy's, old sport.